Welcome back. The hijab fire continues to singe in Karnataka High Court for the 6th consecutive day. Several students staged a protest outside the government college in Kodagu demanding that hijabs be permitted inside the college. In Chitradurga, a major argument broke out between hijabi students and police officials. Meanwhile, fiery arguments in court will resume once again at 2:30 p.m. today. On Thursday, the petitioner had urged to allow Muslim students to wear hijab on Fridays and during the holy month of Ramzan, as banning of hijab is equivalent to banning of Quran, the petitioner said. Amid the courtroom showdown, colleges in Karnataka are also battling chaos and confusion, resulting in postponement of exams by some colleges that were just due to take place in a matter of weeks. Karnataka government's Minority Welfare Department, in fact, has issued a fresh notification stating that the High Court's proposal of no hijab inside classrooms also applies to minority-run schools until further orders.
After a long leave, today this college is open. That is why we deployed more men. Yeah, only exams. Not full students are not coming to college, only partial students are coming. 100% peaceful, no problem. Okay. All colleges and schools are running smoothly.
My colleagues Shija and Nolan Pinto are now joining me live from Karnataka. Shija, I'll come across to you first. What is the situation on the ground? Because confusion still prevails. There is no clarity as to whether this applies to campuses, classrooms, across all institutions or not. So what is the situation on the ground? Shija, if you can hear me, the question is, what is the situation on the ground right now, given that confusion still prevails? There is lack of clarity as well. I'll go across to Nolan. We'll try and reconnect with my colleague Shija. Nolan, what is the situation on the ground, given that confusion still prevails about the status of things? And now with the Karnataka government's Minority Welfare Department saying that this order, the temporary order from the Karnataka High Court, applies to minority-run schools as well.
Put your call on hold.
Like in Bengaluru or in Shivamogga, where I am, it's much peaceful than what it was in the past few days. Now, I just want to show you one thing. Outside most of the institutions, in order to avoid any sort of chaos, this is what they've actually put up over here. In the High Court of Karnataka at Bengaluru, they clearly give the operative order saying, pending consideration of all these petitions, we restrain all the students, regardless of their religion or faith, from wearing a saffron shawl, scarves, hijab, religious flags or the like within the classroom until further orders signed by the Chief Justice and the other two judges. So this is what we are seeing in Shivamogga. Instead of the lecturers or the college authorities or school authorities coming out and explaining what is the rule, they have put up this information. But apart from that, what we are also noticing, like in Kodagu, where students in the hijab are coming out and actually arguing with the police. Now, what we are hearing from our sources is this: the media has been extensively covering this. It's there in the papers. The students know about it. The lecturers, the college authorities are telling them, see, look, the case is in the Karnataka High Court. We have to follow this order. We cannot go against this. That is one. But the confusion is also this, because in some places where they were allowing the students to wear a hijab and enter the classroom earlier, even those institutions, keeping in mind safety, they say that we don't want any trouble. So let's wait for the Karnataka High Court to...
Right. So that is, of course, Nolan Pinto bringing us a live report from Shivamogga. Now, an English lecturer from the JNPU College in Karnataka has resigned from the college after working for 3 years. Shija is now joining me live on this. Shija, if you can hear me now, what is the situation on the ground? Nolan was bringing us a report from Shivamogga where a notice, the operative part of the Karnataka High Court's interim order has been put out on the gate of the college itself, so that there's absolutely no confusion in terms of what the High Court has mandated for the time being. What is the situation on the ground where you are?
Yeah, right now I'm standing in front of Milagres College. the situation here is like students are also a little confused what to do and how the matter to be taken. We can see that one set of the hijab support girls, they are outside the class, college campus, and standing on the road saying that they are not allowed to they are not allowed to write exams or enter the class, so they are not, they are with us to talk. So you tell me why you people are standing outside.
They are not allowing us to write our exams also. We missed our exams, and without hijab they are not allowing. With hijab they are not allowing inside the classroom.
Okay, some students are inside and say that the college is completely supporting them, and you people like who are standing outside the campus want some kind of a controversy or something like that. So you have done that. What is
No, it's nothing like that.
Okay.
It's nothing like that.
Why you are standing outside the campus? You have given a room or something like that, right? So why is that you are outside?
Say it. What?
Why you are outside? Why you are standing outside the campus?
You can talk in Hindi.
Hindi, she know, but I don't know.
That's okay. You tell me.
She know. अरे कुछ क्या बोलना है? You tell they're not allowing us to class. They're not allowing us. So we came outside.
Okay, sitting inside is
We had one room. Yeah, we had one room. We were sitting there.
Okay.
They allowed us. They allowed.
Okay.
They allowed us.
Okay.
But they are saying not to go for class, all that much. We want our hijab. Without hijab, we are not going to our class.
Okay.
Till what also we won't allow you inside the class. Yeah. They said like that. So we can't go without hijab, right? We are wearing our hijab.
Okay.
So we came outside and we started.
Protest.
Okay.
Is that how many students are outside? Or
More than 50.
More than 50. Okay. Okay. We are right now, we heard some of the girls saying that more than 50 students are outside the classroom or outside the campus, and then they're protesting against the entire system. And they say that next month is their examination, and before the examination, all the issues should be sorted. And we can also see that it's a mixed college, and then boys are giving a lot of support to hijab. And regarding this, there are confusions. On the other hand, some girls who came out of the classroom right now and said that we have no issue with the college, and college has given us a separate room, and they have also some of the teachers getting inside the classroom and giving them what is happening in the class, and then giving them notes and all, so they have no problem. Now
Right, so Shija there, of course, reporting from Udupi. She spoke to some of the students over there who want to enter the classrooms wearing their hijabs, but as per the Karnataka High Court order, interim order for the moment, the college, the institution where she's standing has not allowed them to enter, so they're standing outside right now protesting. So a lot of confusion that prevails at the moment, and clarity is awaited from the Karnataka High Court. Shija and Nolan, thank you so much for joining us with your inputs now.